Good afternoon. I'm Max Vickerson of Morgans. I'm with Damian Galvin, CFO of Central Petroleum here at the Noosa Mining Conference. Damian, can you tell us a little bit about what's been happening in the last 6 to 12 months at Central? What's the latest in your growth program?
Yeah, look, we've really turned it up this year, Max. We've got a couple of wells drilling at the moment at our Marini field, new production wells that should boost our production from sort of 32 terajoules a day up to 45. We've got 2 new exploration wells going in later this year that could potentially double our 2P reserves. So there's a lot happening in the Northern Territory. On top of that, we've got a couple more wells that we want to do there next year that again could quadruple reserves and a good oil prospect. And then we've got the big sub-salt multi-TCF targets like Duca and Zevon that we're moving forward with as well. So there's a lot happening in the Northern Territory. And then we've got our Range coal seam gas project in Queensland. We've got our pilot up and running now. Just started pumping last month, so we're already starting to see some early gas there, which is great. We're moving towards a financial investment decision about this time next year with any luck. So there's a lot happening at the moment. It's been busy.
Fantastic. That sounds great, Damien. And what about in terms of infrastructure access? Are you talking to different pipeline companies about getting that gas to market? And is that likely to hit the East Coast, or would you go north to Darwin?
Yeah, look, we've got a new pipeline that we're looking at to come direct from the Amadeus through to Moomba if we can get those reserves higher. So that would really cut the cost and the distance to get that gas to the eastern coast. So that's our main target, is to getting gas to Australians who need it. Our Range project already very close to the Wallumbilla hub. We're talking to some of the big pipeline proponents, APA, Gemina, etc. Put tenders in at the moment to do our surface gear there. So we're really looking at getting gas to Australians at the end of the day, where it's needed. Absolutely.
I mean, with domestic gas prices north of $25 a gigajoule at the moment, it seems like it's definitely something the economy needs, the Australia needs. Is that playing into any of your economic thinking, or do you see that more as a short-term issue?
Yeah, look, that's pretty short-term, but I think it's probably symptomatic of where things could go. We're seeing forecasts saying that gas, demand in southern states is going to start outstripping supply by 2024. So we've got our Range project, should be online by then, supplying into that shortfall. And if we can get the pipeline across from the Amadeus, again, that should help.
Fantastic. Well, that's all from us today at the Noosa Mining Conference. Definitely have a look at Central Petroleum's investor relations section on their website, and we'll definitely be following the story with interest. Thanks, Damien.
Thanks.